Welcome back, children. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to tell you a story. Are you all ready to hear me? So let's start. Long time ago, there lived a family in a city. Along with their grandparents, mom, dad, and also there lived a young boy named Divanshu and his sister Divani. Both of them were so fond of junk foods like pizza, burger, etc. And their mother were insisting them to eat fruits and vegetables, but they refused. Mother warned them that if you are not eating fruits and vegetables, it will lead to more healthy problems. So the major problem which you are going to face is about your eyesight. So be careful, you need to eat fruits and vegetables regularly. So they kept a deaf ear to mother's words. But Divani started to listen to her mother's words. She started to have fruits and vegetables in her diet. Divanshu continued eating junk food. He was eating it. And one day when he was sitting in the class, the teacher was taking maths. She wrote a sum on the board and asked Divanshu to solve it. He was trying so hard to see the board, but he couldn't see. And teacher was worried why Devanshu can't see anything. What happened with Devanshu? She asked him and he answered that, "Ma'am, I can't see anything on the board." The teacher told him that, "I'm going to call your parents and inform them." So teacher called them and parents rushed to the school, and the parents came to the school. And teacher explained what happened that day. Teacher told them like this, "I wrote a question, very easy one, on the board and Devanshu can't answer it. He told me that he can't see. So what's happened? What's happening with him?" So mother asked Devanshu to come and sit with her and asked what is the real reason. So Devanshu told her like this, "Mama, when ma'am wrote that question on the board, I couldn't see it. I can't see the thing." So mother told, "This is why I asked you to eat fruits and vegetables. If you would have listened to my words just like Divani, your eyesight will be normal. But what happened now? You lost, your eyesight is reducing. So let's go to an eye specialist and check first." So the mother took him to an eye specialist. He suggested to wear spectacles. So our Devanshu learned a lesson. So he promised his mother that today onwards I will be eating fruits and vegetables in my food. So dear children, have you understood the story? What is the moral of the story? You should eat healthy foods instead of junk food. What will happen if we are eating junk food? It will affect our health. So let's start our new chapter. So dear children, do you know what is the name of our chapter? What we eat. It's about food. So this is the mind map of this chapter. So dear students, we are going to discuss about the importance of food and water. The next point, it's about food sources, from where we are getting food. So we get food from animals and also plants. The next point which we are going to discuss is about healthy food habits we have to include in our diet. Let us start with, why do we need to eat food? Why? It's a good question, isn't it? Every living thing, such as we human beings, animals like cow, lion, birds, fishes, all need food to live. Food helps us to do different activities such as playing, running, etc. Food also gives us energy to do work, run, play, study and other activities also. Food is important to everyone. Food helps us to grow. Food helps us to keep healthy and protect us from illness. So dear children, how many times do we eat in a day? Count. Morning, afternoon, evening and then at night. The food we eat at different times of a day is called what? A meal. So, breakfast is the first main meal of the day. We have breakfast in the morning or afternoon? In the morning. What are the healthy things we can have for our breakfast? Cornflakes and milk, is it? Bread and butter. You tell me what's your choice for your breakfast. Next is lunch. Lunch is the meal we eat in the afternoon. Dinner is the last meal of the day. We have dinner at night. Some people like to have a sweet dish after dinner. Do you like to have dessert for dinner? The food, or we call it as snacks, that we eat between our main meal is called light meal, such as fruits, biscuits, milk are few examples of light meal. Do not miss your meals. Your body needs food to work. Next question. Where do we get food from? Where do we get fruits and vegetables from? Most of the food that we eat comes from plants. Plants gives us food like fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals. We get fruits like apple, orange, banana, mango, papaya, guava, etc. from plants. They are rich in nutrients and good for our health. Have you heard a proverb? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now, vegetables like peas, beans, leafy vegetables like cabbage, lettuce help us to get energy and stay healthy. Eat carrots daily. Your eyes will be bright. Do you know? Eat carrots daily, your eyes will be bright. We get different kinds of dal, like moong dal, chana dal and rajma from plants. These dals are known as pulses. What they are called? Pulses. It gives us more energy and also helps us to grow. Here, rice. You can see rice, wheat, maize, jowar and ragi are some of the common food grains that we get from plants. These food grains are called what? Cereals. What they are called? Cereals. We eat food made from the cereals every day. It gives us energy to work and also to play. Next, we are going to discuss about the food from animals. Where do we get eggs from? Animals also give us food. Cow, goat and buffalo gives us milk. You need to drink milk daily. It helps us to grow and also for bone development. We use milk to make butter, ghee, curd, cheese, paneer and also ice cream. That's my favorite thing. Hen and duck gives us eggs. We also get meat from animals like hen, cow, goat and buffalo. Now let's talk about unhealthy food. How many of you like to eat pizza, burger, just like Deepanshu? Food like pizza, noodles, chips, burger, samosa and soft drinks like Coke, Pepsi are bad for our health. These foods are called junk food. We should not eat these types of food daily. It's very bad for our health. Now let's talk about the importance of water. We also need water to live. Do you know that? We can live without food for few days, but not without water. That means water is essential for our life. We have to drink clean water as there are disease causing germs in water. That's why I am telling, always drink boiled water and drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. How we should store drinking water? We should store water in a clean container and cover it with a lid. We can't live without water. It is important to conserve water, to save water as much as we can. How? By taking care of few things such as turning off the tap when not in use, and also informing elders if we see water leakage. Our body needs all kinds of good things to stay healthy and fit. If you want to stay healthy, your body wants to stay fit and strong, what you have to do? You need to follow some healthy food habits. What are the healthy food habits we need to follow? Listen to me. First main important thing is do not miss a meal. Do not skip any meal. Eat only freshly cooked food. Undercooked food makes us sick. We will feel stomach pain, indigestion kind of. And also, do not eat uncovered food from the outside. It will be tempting, but never eat. Eat your meals on time. And also, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after each meal. And one more thing, drink a lot of water. Say no to junk food. So these are the simple things you need to follow to keep yourself healthy. So dear children, let's summarize our lesson. What are the things we have learned in this lesson? About food. Food is important for everyone. Food gives us energy to do various activities and also help us to grow. From where we are getting food? We get food from plants and animals. Good. Food like pizza, burger, soft drinks like Coke, Pepsi, what they are called? Junk food. So what you need to tell? I don't want any junk food. Very good. It's actually why I am telling this, it's not healthy for us. Afterwards we discussed about what? Importance of water. Importance of water. Drinking water is essential for everyone. And always drink boiled water and store water in a clean and covered containers. How many glasses of water you should drink per day? 8 glasses of water. That's minimum 6 to 8 glasses of water. And at last, you need to follow all the healthy food habits. Hope you all enjoyed our class. Read the chapter, underline all the difficult words and do the textbook exercises as well. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.